In this tutorial, I'm going to introduce you to Map View, which is one of the two main ways you can choose to interact with SRMS Online, and will likely be your preference if you enjoy working with maps. From the home page, Map View can be accessed either from the black menu bar at the top or from the Map View quick link in the middle of the page. Having clicked on Map View from the home page, you arrive on the Map View page. It should be obvious why it's called Map View. You have a map displaying in the middle of the screen, which will be zoomed into any locations that you already have access to. Above the map, you'll see a toolbar which contains the various tools that you may need to interact with to help you manage locations. When you click on an existing location on the map to select it, a floating panel will appear which contains additional tools relating to the specific location you have selected. You will notice that the default background map is a Bing aerial map. However, you're able to change this using the drop-down menu to OpenStreetMap or Ordnance Survey Map, depending on what you prefer. You can pan around the map by clicking on it and moving it with your mouse or trackpad, and you can also zoom in and out using the zoom tool towards the top left of the map. You can also determine what features are showing on the map through interacting with the Toggle Features menu. Here you can turn on or off location labels, different location types, and also the measurements that display in the bottom left of the map corner as you move the cursor around. The Zoom To button can be used to zoom in to a known postcode or grid reference. Simply click on the button, type in a postcode or grid reference, and the map responds accordingly. The Print button can be used to print the map. Simply click on the button, select the relevant options, and a printable map will be produced for you.